welcome to Newfoundland and Labrador Studies 2205. I'm Miss Fleming, your instructor for this course. This is Unit 4, Towards the Future, Section 1, Lesson 3, on creating films. This is Video 1, Types of Films and Roles. Now, filmmaking is a unique and exciting art form. Similarly to theater, it is highly interactive and usually involves several people and has a technical side. While creating a short film may seem like a daunting task, we will break it up piece by piece so that it is easy to do in smaller chunks. These smaller chunks will then be explored in our filmmaking exercises throughout the unit so that you feel prepared and comfortable to create your own short film. First, let's talk about the types of films. It is important to know the types of films that you could create. This will give you direction on where you may want to go. There are two types of films: fictional or narrative films, and documentaries. Narrative films tell a story that is usually not based in fact, unless it is historical fiction. They use creative storytelling and follow the conventions of narrative structure. These films usually have a well-developed script and a rehearsal process, so everything is planned out based on the storyline. Now, documentaries are non-fiction and may tell a story of what happened in the past or explore a current issue. Usually, a good documentary will attempt to be balanced in the reporting, allowing for various perspectives to come through. A documentary will still be structured and planned around a main point, but it is not rehearsed. Now let's discuss the types of roles in filmmaking. Regardless of the film you decide to create, there are many roles that a person can take on. While some people may consider the actors the star of the film, this is not true. Filmmaking is an organized effort by everyone. The roles necessary to create a film are the producer, director, writer or writers, camera and sound operator, and editor. I'm going to go through each of these so that you can get an idea for what is expected from each role. Firstly is the producer. This individual creates the conditions for the actual making of the movie from beginning to end. They are considered kind of like the chief of staff and are in charge of the overall project, although the director is in charge of creative decisions. Then we have the director. The director is the individual who is responsible for overseeing the creative aspects of the film. They're the storyteller. They develop a vision for the film and determine how it should look, such as camera angles, lighting, set design, and actors. They also work with the editor in post-production. The writers are the individual or individuals who are responsible for the adaptation of the script. The script includes the actor's dialogue, stage directions, and camera directions. The script can also be called the screenplay. Then we have camera and sound operators. These individuals are responsible for capturing the images and sound used in a film. They must ensure that what they record is of good quality. They work with the writer and director to clarify how shots should look in advance to filming. Often scenes are shot many times or with many takes from different camera angles, so there's a lot of material to choose from. These roles can also be called cinematographers and sound designers. Finally is the editor. This can sometimes be the most misunderstood role in filmmaking. Editing is more than following the screenplay like a recipe and putting shots in order. The editor must use different camera angles and sound to craft the completed film. Additionally, this role is very creative as they help the director achieve the vision for the film. So now it's time to continue to the next video. I'm going to ask you to please take a break if you need one, because there's 3 videos for this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.